Bringing you more international news on India. India got a second opportunity to tear into Pakistan's allegations against Kulbhushan Jadhav. India pointed out that Pakistan has been reluctant to share the court order that convicted Jadhav. India's representative at the International Court of Justice, Harish Salve, first took Pakistan to task for using unacceptable language. Listen in.
The language which has echoed in this court, sir, in these hallowed precincts, is and so that such misadventures are not repeated. Perhaps this court may, in counsel's word, lay down some red lines of how proceedings ought to be conducted. The transcript is peppered with words such as shameless, nonsensical, laughable, breathtaking arrogance. On a quick count, shameless and nonsense occur 5 times each. Arrogance 4 times, ridiculous 4 times, and disgraceful 4 times. And these are addressed to the submissions made in the memorial in the reply by the Sovereign Republic of India. India takes exception to being addressed in this fashion in an international court. Beyond saying this, I would let the matter rest, for I do not, and the Indian culture prevents me from indulging in similar language of invectives and insults.
Salve then went on to remind the court that Pakistan harbours terrorists and is responsible for 26/11 Mumbai attack. He then mentioned the terror attack in Pulwama on 14 February in which 40 CRPF personnel were martyred and said that Jadhav was Pakistan's tool to divert global attention.
Pakistan is used as a safe haven by UN proscribed terrorist entities, including Al-Qaeda, Lashkar-e-Taiba, Jaish-e-Mohammed, Faleh-e-Insaniyat, Haqqani Network, individuals including Hafiz Saeed, Dawood Ibrahim and others. More than 30 individuals and entities who have been proscribed by the Counter-Terrorism Committee pursuant to UN Security Council resolution are from Pakistan. Information and material contained in public domain. These includes, firstly, state sponsorship of terrorism by including and allowing its territory to be used to train, arm and finance and launch terrorist attacks against its neighbors. Some of the recent terrorist attacks include A. On 14 February 2019, a dastardly terror attack was carried out in India by Pakistan-based and UN proscribed-based entity, killing more than 40 Indian security personnel. This has received global condemnation. The US has even called upon Pakistan to end immediately the support and safe haven provided to all terrorist groups operating on its soil, whose only goal is to sow chaos, violence and terror in the region.
And speaking of Pakistan's role in the Pulwama attack, after New Zealand, South African lawmakers have unanimously passed a motion in Parliament condemning the Pulwama attack and called on Pakistan to find the perpetrators of the dastardly terror strike. Naming Pakistan, South Africa has called for Islamabad to act against perpetrators of this attack. The motion also condemned the cowardly act of terrorism, the likes of which had not been seen in 3 decades in Kashmir. Earlier, President Cyril Ramaphosa issued a statement declaring South Africa's solidarity with India.